So what is going on, everyone? It is Kieronthebarber, aka Kieran Price, or Kieran Price, aka Kieronthebarber. Anyway, I am back. We've currently ended on a Thursday. Richmond's sitting there eating some sub. Say hello, Richmond.
Fuck.
We've got Zoe in the corner. So I've been away for a long time, and I'm sorry. I've just been really busy. Richmond hasn't announced me though. Richmond, what are you?
I'm gay.
That's what. That's staying. Richmond reckons that he's retired from YouTube videos. He doesn't want to do them anymore. So he's too good for that. He's made all of his YouTube money now, and he's given up on it. Spending it on Subways. Shout out to Subway. So my thing is, yeah, Richmond's got this really good cut that I really wanted to film, and I'm pretty much begging him to film it. So we've been begging him to film it. So if this video, how many likes would this? If this video gets a set amount of likes, 1,000 likes, you'll do a YouTube video. Yeah? Okay. So 1,000, that's minor. So if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, then Richmond will carry on his YouTube channel.
Perfect.
And what's that kid's name? What's Base's name? Zane will stop ringing me and asking a Richmond to film him. I tell you what, if we can get 5,000 likes on this video, Richmond will film Zane's hair. Me and Richmond don't actually know who Zane is, but Zane keeps ringing me anonymously and asking to film Richmond's haircut. So we're gonna get it on. Boss here in the background, by the way. Always learning. So yeah, here's my new YouTube video out right now. It is what did I do on Charlie? I did a low tape, some scratch lines, messy crop. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy the video, what should I say? If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, tell me I'm an arsehole. Please comment and tell him to do some more YouTube videos because I love his stuff. Please tell him to do more YouTube videos. So yeah, I've got some cool shit coming out now because I've got my GoPro and I can literally film on my chest as we're going. So yeah, I hope all is well, and I shall speak to you all soon. Peace out and enjoy the video. So what is going on, everyone? It is Kieronthebarber back with another video. Sorry it's been 6 months out. I've been doing so much stuff. It's been like I started setting out my shop in January. So since January we've just been literally just building the business, doing up the shop, etc, etc. It's just been a mad few months. I decided to buy a GoPro, and the reason being I decided to buy the GoPro just because it's so much easier filming when I can just set up and literally just stick it on the chest, and then I can just film as I'm going along, so it doesn't interrupt my work. I can just film any customer realistically I want. This was kind of a tester video to see how well the GoPro come out. I know there is a few, I've just sort of watched it through myself, and there is a few faults in it where the camera sort of veers to the left or the right, but it's all trial and error. As I say, this is my first time with this, the GoPro Hero 5, so I'm just getting used to it. But as we're starting off with Charlie's hair, we're starting off with a 0 straight from the bottom, just taping that just around their ears. And then I'm going to use my new AndisUK, so I got the 1.5, flip that right up, right to the temple, and then from there I'm going to skip the 1 guard, because there's with Andis there's a half guard and a 0 guard. Now if I find that if I put the 0 guard, the half guard open, it pretty much turns it into just under a 1. I mean, it's pretty much a 1. So that works perfect for me. I can go then straight into the half and then straight into the 0 to get rid of that line which I put in the first place.
have you hid your brothers away from me for so long? I proper like your brothers.
Well, I don't know. Hiding from the world.
And they love you. Because when you're down to hospital, that's literally what they do. On this section because, you know, I don't even know why. Why I didn't use number one. Yeah, you don't need to use number one if you're actually good.
I was always do my hair cut like as short as possible. If it grows back within like 2 weeks. Too scary.
Because it goes back in what, 2 weeks or so?
Yeah, honestly, I've never seen my hair grow so quick.
I don't know, I must be doing something different.
That's why I always like leave out the sides of the skin, like, because it will grow back to what it is now.
Understand it? Your brother come third one down 4-9 as well. He was gassing and I was like, you ain't gonna win it, brother, you ain't gonna win it. Come third. And I was like, oh my god, no, no one. Out of 380 something, that's alright. Caught Gio the other day, I was gassed. I'll be honest, I just need help, I'm a bit lonely, I need friends.
Ah, yeah, just tiny, only a tiny bit.
I need a hug.
A hug of friends.
Hugging friends. One day it's gonna happen. Probably will, to be fair.
It's all about the banter, so just remember,
And if I do it, it's just banter.
Yeah.
I'll pay for them.
Well, there you go. At least you got the reassurance. See, now you can't even be mad if he does it.
Yeah, because you've already come up with your own solution.
Exactly. Just face like with your back against the wall all the time. Good shout.
They can't shave my hair off if I ain't got no hair. that's what I'm thinking. Just shave it off. And then you go, go on, Kieran, do your worst. I'm like, oh, you've ruined the fun, Zoe. Don't want to do it now.
This is a half-inch beat. This is a homage beat.